Hello students, welcome. Today we are going to learn some of the special features of Windows 10. We will learn what are the specialities of Windows 10, how Windows 7 is different from Windows 10 or how Windows 8 is different from Windows 10. So first of all, let us see the taskbar. This is the taskbar. What are present in the taskbar? At the right side of the taskbar, we have the time, we have the headphone option, or we have the Wi-Fi option, and all the related batteries and other options are present at the right side of the taskbar. At the corner of the taskbar, here we see 3 notifications, means the area from where we get the notification related to a computer, laptop or PC. They are said as action center. They are said as action center. So this area is known as action center. How to bring this action center? You just need to click here and then all the notifications which are present you can see. Or if you want to close any of the notification, just click on the cross. As you see in your mobile phone, it is same. Now after the action button, we will move forward and we will see how to search any application. So for searching any application, we have here search box. So search box is a place where we can click and where we can directly type whatever we want to search in our computer. As I have typed paint, and when I'll click here, this application will be open. So this is the use of search box. Now besides search box, there is a start button. When we will click on the start button, we will get the list of the applications which are in our computer or which are in our laptops. So this is how we can get a list of our applications present in our computer from the start button. Here we see one new thing, that is just beside the start button. Here we have this round circle which is known as Talk to Cortana. What is this? This Cortana is your personal assistant. What is this? This is your personal assistant and she works as you speak. She works on your voice command. So let us see how to do it. You need to click on this. As you will click, you will get this window opened. If there is an option for sign in, first of all you need to sign in. Then as you will see like this, then here is an option for mic. When you will click here and whatever you will speak, that answer will be given by Cortana. And she works like a Google Assistant or Siri. All are same. And in Windows 10, the personal assistant which we have, that is Cortana. So let us see how does it work. Let us click here. Who is your father?
Technically speaking, that'd be Bill Gates. No big deal.
So you have seen this reply. She has spoken also and this was written also. We can write anything also and we can ask. How old are you? So she has given this example. Okay, let me just click and ask. How old are you, Cortana?
If you're planning a surprise party, I made my debut on April 2nd, 2014.
Means April 2nd, 2014, this Cortana was released. So we can say like she thinks her birthday is like on that day. So this is how Cortana works. Like if you ask, who is the Prime Minister of India?
Narendra Damodar Modi is an Indian politician serving as the 14th and current Prime Minister of India since 2014.
So this is how this Cortana work. If you want to close, then you can close it. So this Cortana is your personal assistant and you can ask anything and whatever you want to do, you can do here. Now just besides Cortana, there is a task view. Here we have task view. This is a like of view in which we get all the programs on which we are working. Like I am working on these of the applications, so I have got a list of all the applications on which I am working. Like if I want to open this page, then I will click here. So MS Paint will open. So again when you click on the task view, then again you will get the link, and when you will click here, then again that option will be appeared. So task view is a view in which we get all the opened softwares on which we are working. This was the way how we can use the task view. And basically this task view is helpful in switching between the applications. Switching means moving from one application to another application is known as switching. There is another way of switching is we can directly click on that application. Like if you directly click, then you can open the Paint. So this is also a way in which you can switch between the application. So these are the way by which we can open the applications, or we can switch between the application. So I hope, my dear children, this few features would be clear to you all. We'll all meet again in the next video. Till then, please try it at your home and stay safe, stay home. Thank you, my dear children.